these are my fidgets. And these are my sister's fidgets. First, I'm going to be offering my Among Us puppet.
Me.
Which are, yes?
This really good love heart puppet.
Add.
And this squishy that you need to add.
Delights. Wait, will you accept?
I'll add this monkey needle if you add something else.
I'll add that.
Add that wacky track that's in there.
I'll take out that and add the wacky track. And you've got to do.
I'll take away the monkey needle.
Okay, accept. Wait, no way. Delights.
Oh.
Okay. I'm offering my slow rising hamburger sushi.
Me.
What's your offer?
I'll give you this.
Add one more thing because this is really good.
Can I squish it?
No.
I'll give you this.
Add one more thing.
If I add this, then you need to add something else.
Sure. I'll add my DIY squishy.
Take away that because this is really good.
Fine then. Add a line. You're taking too long.
Okay.
Trading this Among Us puppet.
Me.
What's your offer?
2 puppets and you need that. I'll give you 3 puppets, but you need to add way more.
I'll give you my phone buddy and this Diablo. Wait, actually no. I don't want to add more. You add more.
I'm giving you 3
Wait.
puppets.
Fine then, I delights.
Trading really good puppet.
I'll give you this yellow puppet. That's really nice. And
Please add. If you add that hamburger squishy, I'll add this monkey noodle.
no way, Jose. Delights. Delights. Trading this phone buddy.
Oh, for these.
Except. Here, get scammed, loser. Trading this love up puppet.
I'll give you this slime.
Add one more thing.
Then you need to add.
No, because this is a puppet. Foam slime? No way.
Foam slime and kinetic sand and monkey noodle. You need to add 2 under.
Fine then, take away the kinetic sand and you've got a deal.
But you need to add. If you add half,
You have to add, press that then. I'll give you this DIY. Next. Can I have it? Get scammed, loser. Loser.
ultra rare.
Yeah, sure. I'll give you this. And I don't think it's worth a puppet, but I'll give you that.
But if you give me that tangle, I'll give you all 3 of those.
My tangles.
And a wacky trap. Or a puppet or a squishy.
Fine, I'll give you this. Accepting. Boom.
This is it.
Come back for part 2 next time. Bye!